situation at the KIT University, Bhubaneswar, actually got aggravated when one of the student actually hailing from Nepal, she committed suicide, and her friends actually who were also Nepali students who were all from Nepal, and remember there are a large number of students from Nepal in KIT University, so they started protesting, and their protest at times turned violent, and that was when the management of the KIT University took a strict action against those students who were protesting against this particular incident, against the suicide of one of their friends, and they issued immediate notice to all the students hailing from Nepal that they should immediately vacate the campus and they should go back to their respective homes till the situation actually dies down.
कारण एक लड़की सुसाइड की थी, उसके लिए हम लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे और प्रोटेस्ट को मतलब ना हो प्रोटेस्ट दबाने के लिए। अब दबाने के लिए उनको लोग क्या मन सकते थे हमको नहीं पता, पर हमको जबरदस्ती निकाला गया हॉस्टल से, और हॉस्टल से निकाला गया। अभी ट्रेन भी फिक्स नहीं है, ट्रेन कब आएगी कब जाएगी, हमारे पास पैसा भी नहीं है, रात से हम भूखे भी है, अभी तक खाना भी नहीं गया।
But this matter got flared up after the Nepalese government actually intervened and the Prime Minister himself intervened. So the Nepali government actually instructed their embassy at New Delhi to intervene in this matter, and two of the officials from the Nepali embassy at New Delhi, they were sent to KIT University to assess the situation, and that is when even the government of India actually swung into action. The Odisha government, they got into action, and then this order of the KIT University was rolled back, and the KIT University then issued a second letter stating that those students who have already vacated the campus, they need not actually vacate, they should return back, and those students who are still in the campus, so they can stay back now, and they can resume their normal studies. As far as the situation on the ground is concerned, there were a few social media videos of the KIT faculty members making derogatory remark against the students hailing from Nepal, and that actually further aggravated the situation.
Any of the authority of KIT University, and if any of my statements has hurted the sentiment of my Nepali students or people of Nepal, I apologize for it sincerely.
As of now, we are told that the situation in the campus remains calm, remains under control, but the Nepali students were certainly targeted because of the violent protest they had actually staged after one of their friend, a female student, actually committed suicide. But now we are told that the situation is back to normal. The officials from the Nepalese embassy at New Delhi, they're all parked there, they're talking to students. Also the management of the KIT University, they are also kind of trying to diffuse the tension over there, and the administration, the local administration, the police, they are assuring, they have given a word of assurance to the Nepali students that whatever the cause of this suicide is, they will certainly be investigating into it, and they ensure that if somebody is involved into it, then he or she will not go scot-free. So that is assurance coming from the local administration, from the government of Odisha. And also the Nepali embassy is coordinating with both the agencies, the government of Odisha and also the local administration, the local police, and they all are trying together to calm down the students, and so that they can actually, the life in the campus returns back to normal, and they can resume their studies.